Today edition. Uh, this is a setup of a fuel generator. Some people call it a free energy generator. Anyone you call it. All I know is that it is a renewable energy, which means there is no any use of petrol in it, and it is a clean energy. So if you check the system, you will see generator, you will see electric motor, you will see battery, and my meter. So and capacitor. So, like if you are following me for a while, you find out that the generator, previous video, the generator is giving me around 3 to 400 volts, which is abnormal, or which is not needed to our home appliances. So, some people said I should reduce the speed of the DC motor so that the output voltage from the generator will come down, which is okay. The solution is okay, but I want to clear every doubt about the system. You know, like I told you, the coil has been rewind. The coil has been rewind. So I rewind it over. So that is the reason why the generator was giving me such amount of voltage. Despite that, I use a 10 microfarad capacitor, which is almost about the smallest rated capacitor this Tiger generator is using. Normal capacitor it is using is 24 micro capacitor, but I use 10 micro. And also it is giving me, if I put around 24 micro capacitor, I was getting almost 500 volts from this generator, which is not needed. That's why I didn't connect any load, because it will burn it. So I have made some other rewind, rearrange in the generator. So it has given me good voltage now, at least our recommended voltage, which is 220 to 30 volts. So I've already reduced the winding because I over wind it. So, but it's still suitable if this motor is like a conventional motor. What I mean by conventional motor is that it can reduce the speed, but this motor is rated at 12 volts, so that, which means that once the voltage from the battery is below 11 point something, it will not, because it have a lot of sensors which will sense on the voltage. It has a high voltage and under voltage rotation. So assuming that if you put 9 volts, which means the motor will be running on some low RPM, maybe something about 1500 RPM, the generator will give we yeah very when you very lit, the generator output volt will come down. Understand? So, but the motor is rated at 12 volts. So, which means that if you push below 12 volts, the motor will not run because it is not brush. It is brushless, and it has a high voltage and low voltage protection. So, let me make it clear here now. This is the black wire, and black wire stands for as negative. So, even though the battery, we found that they use a black to coat the battery terminal. So it serves as a negative, and this lead coated here is positive of the battery. So this motor is not the motor you can change interface the terminal, because when you done that, they will get the electronics inside damage. We get it burnt. So you have to connect it properly. It is brushless motor, not brush, and it has a lot of electronics inside it. So this terminal here is a negative. You have to go direct to negative of the battery, and this terminal here is the positive. So you have to go directly to here. And this white wire is stand for sensor. So when you remove the white wire, the motor may not run. Or even if it managed to run, there will be a spot it will stop. So because this is the sensor, you have to go to the uh, negative, the way they structure it, before the motor can continue running. So that is it. if you check here, you will see the connection between the motor and the generator. So I wanted to make it shaft, yeah, weld it together, yeah, make it direct connection. But at a spot, I find out that if there is error in our engine is, it may both generator and the motor will be vibrating in the working condition. Yeah, it need to be aligned. Even if it have to be a direct shaft connection, it have to be very well aligned so that there will be any vibration. It will be zero vibration. Understand? So I decided to use a fan belt. You can see fan belts. Even though there is any vibration, it will occur in this belt. It will not occur in the shaft, in the generator aspect. It will not occur in the, so this belt connection will minimize the vibration between the generator and the motor. So that is, it is well aligned. You can see it. There's no vibration. So this is the capacitor. And if you look closely, we see a damper. So this damper here helps to reduce the vibration. Though there is no much vibration from the system because it is well aligned, but I decided to put this damper so that it will help to um, eliminate the vibration more and more. Even though if you keep it one place, it will be without any vibration, without shifting. So it will. That is the reason why I put it, and it's also serve good as expect. So that is it. So now I'm gonna test it so that you see how the system is working. So this is my meter. So let me. It is on 700 volts maximum. So I have to let me shift it to 20. So let me on it. So if I rotate this shaft, you will find that there will be some count of voltage. It is because of the permanent magnet and the armature in the loto. Some people call it loto, some people call it armature. It's because of the permanent magnet in the armature or loto, anyone you call it. Some people refer it as a loto, some people refer it as a armature. So that is it. That's why if you rotate it, there will be voltage about 1 point something volts, 1.6 volts AC. So let me push it back to the normal position. So I'm going to run it so that see how far. So I have to connect I have to have a switch here, but I just decided to just run it so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Mm. So I'm gonna connect it. It will stay for some seconds before it will start. There's a vibration. Already we have seen it now. So now come back to normal position. So you can see there's no vibration, there's no any atom of vibration. There's no any atom of vibration. System was running perfectly. Well, very well aligned. very well aligned. Very well aligned. So I have to disconnect the my my meter wire because the wire from it is short. So let me connect it. Because the wire is short. See the light. Please, it has run for a while now. There's no any atom of what any atom of vibration. System is running perfectly. Oh, it has not been disconnected. Wow. So that is it. See how the motor is running. Alright. Thank you for watching.